guys. Okay, so this is going to be my first time ever trying out the brand new shark that I just got literally in the box from Amazon. It did come with several different pieces. I was able to put this together myself very quickly. Let's test this out. As you can see, this carpet's filled with leaves, with dirt from kids running in and out, from all the pets we have. Let's take off the protector and let's see how this baby works. Oh, it has a thing for your foot. Wow. Just from those couple of little like swipes that you just witnessed me do, look at all of this. That's major. That it was able to pick up all of that in those couple swipes. Okay, well, I see what I'm doing this morning. Anyway, so far, love it.